Have you ever wondered what makes a super investor tick? They turn millions into billions, seemingly with a golden touch. But what stocks are they buying? Today, we break down the vault and reveal the secret holdings of a super investor. Get ready to be surprised. Who is a super investor? The term super investor is thrown around quite a bit in the financial world. But who exactly qualifies for this title? Super investors have a long and consistent track record of generating exceptional returns in the stock market. They achieve this through combining factors, including deep financial knowledge, a unique investment philosophy, and an unwavering discipline. Some of the most famous super investors include Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, and Cathie Wood, each with a distinct approach to building wealth. Their success stories inspire many individual investors to learn about their strategies and incorporate some of their methods into their portfolios. Why do investors follow super investors? Have you ever chased after the hottest stock tips or mirrored a celebrity's investment portfolio? If so, you're not alone. Many investors follow the lead of super investors, those proven winners who consistently outperform the market. But what makes these superstars so appealing? And why do investors place so much trust in their picks? Super investors aren't just lucky. They've honed their craft over years of experience and meticulous research. By studying their strategies, we can glean valuable insights to improve our investment decisions. What are some of the key questions we can ask to unlock these secrets? Do they focus on value investing, scooping up undervalued stocks with strong fundamentals? Or are they growth gurus, targeting companies poised for explosive expansion? Understanding their thought processes can shed light on valuable investment philosophies. How do super investors find winning stocks? Have you ever wondered how some investors consistently outperform the market, seemingly picking winning stocks with uncanny precision? These market wizards, often called super investors, have a proven track record of generating exceptional returns. But what's their secret sauce? How do they unearth these hidden gems before the masses? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. Super investors employ various strategies, each reflecting their unique philosophies and risk tolerances. Value investors like Warren Buffett focus on companies with strong fundamentals trading at a discount, while growth investors like Cathie Wood seek high-growth potential in disruptive industries. Some spend countless hours pouring financial statements, while others leverage sophisticated algorithms and networks within sectors. So the question remains, can we, as regular investors, learn anything from these super investors' approaches? The next section will explore how you can adapt their strategies for your own investment journey. Top holdings of super investors in 2024. Have you ever wondered what stocks the best investors are buying? Unveiling the portfolio of a super investor can be like peeking behind the curtain of Wall Street's elite. But before you blindly copy their every move, there's more to the story. Which companies are these star investors bullish on? Are there any patterns in the types of companies they tend to favor? This could reveal insights into what these investors believe are the key drivers of future growth and which industries are poised to outperform. Are there any common themes or trends among their picks? Do they all gravitate towards value stocks, growth stocks, or a blend of both? Uncovering these themes can help you understand the overall investment philosophy of these super investors. How does their portfolio composition differ from the broader market? Super investors often have a unique perspective on the market, and their holdings may not always reflect the weightings of major indexes. By comparing their portfolios to the market, we can see which sectors and stocks are overweight or underweight. By analyzing the holdings of super investors, we can gain valuable insights into their investment philosophy and identify potential opportunities. But remember, past performance is not always indicative of future results. Let's look at some successful case studies of super investors to see what we can learn from their approaches. What industries do super investors a favor? Have you ever wondered where the best investors put their money? With their long track records of success, super investors are often followed closely by individual investors hoping to replicate their gains. But what exactly are these super investors buying? Understanding which industries they favor can provide valuable insights into where they see growth potential. So what industries do super investors typically target? The answer can vary depending on the individual investor's strategy and market conditions. However, some general trends do emerge. Let's explore a few of the industries often well represented in super investors' portfolios. Tech continues to be a major draw for super investors due to its high growth potential and history of disruption. Think cloud computing, cybersecurity, and artificial intelligence. Are there any tech giants that are particularly well positioned for future growth? Healthcare is another industry often favored by super investors. It is driven by aging populations and rising demand for medical treatments. Biotechnology and pharmaceutical companies are just a few examples. Can you name some of the biggest challenges facing the healthcare industry today? Consumer staples also find a place in super investor portfolios, offering stability and reliable returns. These companies sell products people need regardless of economic conditions, like food, beverages, and household goods. Are consumer staples a safe bet in any market? Why or why not? Are super investors always right? Imagine a crystal ball that shows you exactly which stocks will soar and which will plummet. That's the dream many hold for super investors. But are they truly infallible investment gurus? The reality is that even the most successful super investors experience losses. The market is inherently unpredictable, and even the most thorough analysis can be thrown off by unforeseen events. So, what does this mean for the average investor following their lead? Here's the key takeaway. Super investors aren't fortune tellers. Their success comes from deep research, calculated risk-taking, and a long-term perspective. While their picks can offer valuable insights, it's crucial to remember that past performance doesn't guarantee future results. So, before blindly mimicking a super investor's portfolio, ask yourself, do their investment strategies align with your own risk tolerance and financial goals? Have you done your research to understand the companies they're invested in? You can leverage their expertise by approaching their picks with a critical eye while making informed investment decisions. How can you invest like a super investor? Have you ever wondered how the investment world's bigwigs achieve such stellar returns? Can you, the average investor, replicate their success? The answer is yes, but with certain caveats. Here, we'll explore some strategies super investors use and how you can adapt them to your portfolio. First, super investors prioritize in-depth research. They don't just follow the herd mentality. Before investing, they delve deep into a company's financials, competitive landscape, and prospects. Are you willing to dedicate the time and resources to conduct thorough research? Second, super investors remain patient for the long haul. They understand that stock markets are cyclical, and short-term fluctuations shouldn't cloud their judgment. They focus on companies with strong fundamentals poised for sustainable growth. So, can you stomach the inevitable ups and downs of the market without panicking and selling prematurely? Finally, super investors maintain a well-diversified portfolio. They spread their bets across different industries and asset classes to mitigate risk. So, how comfortable are you with building a diversified portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals? So, what did you think of this super investor's portfolio? Were you surprised by their choices? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see more dives into the portfolios of successful investors, hit that subscribe button so you never miss an upload. There's a lot more to learn.